Hola, welcome back to my channel. So I'm on this trail that I've never been on before, and I'm looking, just for stuff. I got my trusty dusty camera, as always. But yeah, I'm just out here like looking for some plants, looking for some animals. I don't know if I'm gonna find that many animals, though. There doesn't seem to be a whole lot of actual wildlife going on around here. But I just got on the trail, so we'll see. We'll see. These heron statues. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. There are a lot of ducks swimming up and down this little fingerlet here. I don't know if that's the real term, but a little lakelet. I don't know. But I got some good pictures of them. I think they're good. I can't really tell. It's kind of bright out here today. So I think that part of the reason I don't see a whole lot of animals when I go out on these little escapades to make my videos is because I go out in like the middle of the day. I think the animals are more active like in the morning and nighttime, or like right before it gets nighttime. What is that called? Dusk. So I need to start going out more during those times to make my videos. But right now I'm looking for like a park or like set of trails near my house that has like actual wildlife. Like I'm in the forest right now, kind of like I'm on trails, but it still looks like, I don't know, manufactured. And I know that there are places that you can go with trails that don't feel as manufactured as this place. That's what I'm kind of trying to find. So I'm seeing a lot of pines and a lot of maples out here, which makes me believe that this area was clear cut a while back ago, and then they just let this grow. Because if I am not mistaken, pines are a sign of like a new forest kind of sprouting up. They're like the predecessor trees. And then maples, when there aren't a whole lot of trees around to take up all the sunlight and the canopy, maples grow because they put all of their resources into their leaves instead of their shoot length, so they're smaller. And they're usually in newer forests also. These smaller trees here with the like kind of almost greenish bark, it's like a gray green. These are maples. It's kind of hard to tell what the trees are right now because all their leaves are kind of falling off, but these ones still have some of their leaves up there. And you can also see on the ground where all their leaves fell. Like this is a maple leaf. If you didn't know, they're on every maple syrup bottle ever. I think these are two different kinds of maples. See how this one's got like fat leaves and this one's got real thin leaves, real pointy leaves. These right here are pine trees. I'm not sure what kind of pine. I'll Google it later and let you know. They've got like red bark. And they're super tall. There are a lot of holly bushes here too. Holly bushes, holly trees. You know, they got the pointy ouch motherfucker leaves. So here's a pine branch that fell out of the tree. And you know, they've got the little pine cones, which are the female reproductive seed thing, reproductive fruit from a pine tree. The seeds are inside these little cracks here. They're little small seeds. And this right here is not a baby pine cone, it's the male. So this is where the pollen is made and released from. I just spent like 10 minutes taking pictures of this. So I'm having these problems with my camera. It's kind of a problem, not really. But like I was taking pictures at like this angle right here, trying to get like that in the frame. This camera's angle is a lot wider than my camera's, but the pictures I take seem a lot warmer than what my eyes see, or even this camera sees. Like the wood, this wood, it looks It looks really orange on my camera photos. And I'm trying to get it in with the blue background so that it looks like blue and tan. But it looks blue and orange. And I went through all my settings on my camera. I went through all my settings and they still look orange. And I don't see anything for like warmth. So if anybody's got any tips on how I can correct this, please let me know.